In my book, The Secret Energy of Your Body, I teach people how to use subtle body energy to heal yourself, to heal your problems and your life. What is energy? There is energy that runs through your body. It is called subtle body energy. It enters your body at the time of birth and it leaves the body when we die. So when we die, it's only your flesh, muscles, bones, organs die, but the energy goes back to the collective consciousness and somebody else will pick it up to develop. So all your unfinished business will go back to the collective consciousness and somebody else will get it. So what is also interesting about this subtle body energy is that when the energy runs through your body nicely, properly, you are in a state of health. But when this energy is blocked anywhere in the body, illnesses are created. And to heal, you need to tune into your body and organs and body parts and correct the flow of energy. You need to rebalance your energy to heal. So everybody can sense energy because we are all born to be intuitive. But it needs to be initiated. So you need to learn how to listen to your intuition, especially medical intuition. There are some common blockages. Why people have difficulties listening to their intuitive voice, especially medical intuitive voice or health intuition. So I researched that and I found that the most common intuitive blocks are, first, religious block. It is when people have been taught to believe in a powerful authoritarian God outside the human body. People start to believe that the body is fundamentally flawed and that you should seek authority outside yourself. So religious people find it difficult to follow their intuition if they're blocked. Number two, intellectual block. These people may perceive intuitive messages but disqualify them as being coincidences, chance or luck, and therefore not indications for true intuitive abilities. So many intellectual people, including doctors, lawyers, accountants, business people, anybody who lives their life from the neck up, in the head, they find it difficult to understand intuition and feel and sense subtle energy. They need to switch off their logic mind and connect to their intuitive mind to be able to do that. Number three, low self-esteem block. People with low self-esteem, they find it difficult to trust their internal instructions. So this is when you already feel that you are intuitive. Yes, they do feel I'm intuitive, but you don't find it very comfortable. You may sense energy and read situations more accurately than others, but you feel self-conscious like an ugly duckling. You may even feel burdened by being different. So basically, people with low sense of self-esteem, they need approval of other people to trust what they feel. Therefore, they can't follow their intuition. Number four block is disorganization block. These people are disorganized. They have no clear directions, no purpose in life. They just disorganize. Their whole life is in disorder. So if you're disorganized, you have to become more organized. If you're disorganized, you can't hear intuition and you can't follow through your internal instructions. Block number five, stress and anxiety block. So people who are continuously stressed and anxious or depressed, they find it difficult to connect to their inner voice and follow through their internal instructions because they simply not in the present moment. People who are depressed, they're stuck in the past. People who worry about the future, they're anxious. You have to bring yourself in the present time to de-stress and start listening to your intuition. And block number 6, fear of intuition block. This is when you deny your feelings because you are afraid of the responsibilities associated with this ability. Intuitive healing assumes that you take all the responsibility for your own health. So when people fear that if I follow my inner guidance, it will be responsibility. I can't lie to myself anymore, and they're afraid of it. They're afraid of being honest with themselves. So this is another block why people have difficulties listening to their intuition. So I hope it helps, and I see you in another video.